Okay, let's try this again. The last video was really dark. It sucks. I don't even know why I uploaded it. But we're going to try something a little different. Even though I look like the Wrath of God, I just want to... I'm anxious to put my rig together. Alright, so... hopefully this is a little bit brighter. The interior is all black, so that's going to make it kind of hard to capture in detail regardless. But using this toolless design, I want to see how long it takes me, and we will find out in a moment, how long it takes to put in both optical drives, my 3 hard drives, and the power supply. It should be pretty quick. So this is about a minute in the video. Let's see. And keep in mind, I'm doing this with one hand. Okay. Number 1. Just line up the holes here. There's little holes here. On this little latch, there's just a couple pegs that slide in. There we go. 2. That looks pretty lined up. Okay, I think that's in. Alright, now the hard drives, solid state, did have to be screwed in the bottom, but really that took 2 seconds. One. These green power things are very slow, but I guess they're supposed to be about conserving energy or some shit. Okay, 2. This is nothing great either. Seagate 7200 RPM, 1 terabyte. But, you know, I don't care how fast my storage drives are. Okay, and now we have the RAID Max 700 watt semi-modular, you know. If you're gonna make a modular power supply, go all the way. What's this crap here? Anyway, the power supply installation is really easy. Alright, there's a couple, I'm sure you can't see them in here, but there's a couple rubber stands, you know, slightly elevated, about a ½ inch off the bottom vent here. Okay, that looks about right. And now there's a little latch. There we go. Okay. And that's in there. That baby is not moving. So, about 3 minutes with me goofing off with my phone in my hand recording this. So, if you weren't monkeying around, you could install 3 hard drives, 2 optical drives, and a power supply in like under 3 minutes, which is very cool. And none of this stuff is going anywhere. So, alright, that's that. This is probably not very exciting to view, at least not this part. So I think when I put in the motherboard and install the CPU and heatsink fan, maybe I'll just do a before and after, and if I run into anything interesting, I'll grab my phone. But all right, there you go. But yeah, this Lancool, the thing is a beast, and it's sweet. You know, for $100 or under, you know, you can't go wrong with this thing. All right.